How to use Photoshop AI Generative Fill. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this new feature in Photoshop that we have, which is called AI Generative Fill. Obviously, you've been seeing a lot of memes and reels about it where someone can choose a region of a photo, and once they choose a region, it's going to say generate, and it's going to give you a prompt beside it. So you're going to click on generate, and obviously, as you can see, it was empty, but now it has a cheetah over there, and you can also add anything you want. So basically, you're going to open up your Photoshop and you're going to go to any picture you have. Let's say we have this picture. You're going to go to the selection tool and then just select a part of your photo. Here it says use any selection tool to select an object or area in your image and select the generate a fill button in the contextual taskbar. Write a prompt describing the object or scene you want to generate in the text entry prompt box, or leave it blank, and Photoshop will fill in the selection based on the surroundings. And then finally, click generate, and obviously you're gonna get to see the whole thing, and it turns it into something cool pretty fast. So that's why I like this a lot, and you should use this for yourself as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all of you next time. Goodbye.